children wanted to show me the eggs that they were painting. They came from chickens just like these.
They're not all chickens, Ted. Some are cockerels.
Are they the ones with sticky-up combs on their heads?
Yes, they are.
Listen to them! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
The cockerels crow and the chickens cluck.
And the chickens lay eggs. Look, what's that? I know it's not a chicken.
Oh, it's just a goat, Midge.
He looks really big to me. But he looks like he's smiling.
They are very friendly goats.
Oh, that's good. Oh, look at his feet.
And look at the chickens. Let's see yours, Midge.
All their feet are different. The goat has hooves. The chickens have feet with 4 toes. And Midge has paws.
Tractors don't have feet. We have wheels.